Understanding on the Night Shift, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, on the night shift. It's a common term you might have heard in movies, songs, or maybe in everyday conversations. Whether you're working, studying, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive into what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Stay with us as we unlock another piece of the English language puzzle. When we say someone is on the night shift, we're referring to the period of work scheduled during the nighttime. This can vary depending on the job, but it typically falls between the hours of 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. Night shifts are common in industries that require round-the-clock operations such as healthcare, security, manufacturing, and customer service. The phrase can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it describes the actual schedule of working through the night. Metaphorically, it can describe any activity or effort taking place during the nighttime, not necessarily work-related. The term, night shift, has industrial roots, dating back to the Industrial Revolution. This was a time when factories began to operate 24/7 to increase production. Workers were divided into shifts to keep the machines running day and night. Hence, the night shift became a crucial part of the industrial workforce, a term that has stuck around ever since. In conversation, you might hear it used in various contexts. For example, in a literal sense, I can't join the dinner party tonight. I'm on the night shift at the hospital. Metaphorically, I'm on the night shift with my newborn, so my partner can get some sleep. It's also common to hear variations of the phrase, such as, working the night shift, or doing night shifts. The concept of the night shift has permeated popular culture, with references in songs, movies, and TV shows highlighting the challenges and experiences of those who work while the rest of the world sleeps. It's often associated with hard work, dedication, and the unique nightlife of cities. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of the phrase, on the night shift. Whether you're a night owl by nature or someone who prefers the daylight, understanding phrases like this can enrich your English vocabulary and help you connect with a broader range of experiences and stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.